So I'm creating a new page over here, about.html, and give it a title about. And what I would like to do is that since this about page is part of my website, I want a consistent look for my website. I want all the h1 tags to have this color. I want that all the paragraphs appear in italics. Basically, I want to reuse all the styles that I have written so far for my website. So how do I do that? Should I copy this entire style tag from here and paste it here? Or is there a better way of reusing all these styles across your website? So what I can do is create an external style sheet. Let's give it a name, style.css, and I'll just paste the contents of my style tag over here. Get rid of the style tag, and we have all of our CSS rules in this file. What I can do is get rid of this style tag over here, and I can link this external style sheet over here by saying link style sheet and give the name of the file that I want to use. So it is style.css over here. So the style.css file has been linked. Let's do a refresh and you can still see all the styles are intact. And earlier, all of these were coming from, let me just undo this for a second. So earlier, all of these rules were coming from styletag.html. Let's redo. And now they're coming from style.css file, right? And since I want to reuse them, here also I can link it and give the path to my file, style.css. If I head over to the about page and let's add a heading over here, about, okay. You can see it's following these styles from style.css because it has also been linked to this page. Let's add a paragraph and let's make use of ChatGPT. What are external CSS files? So I'll just copy this and paste this over here. And now you can see that our paragraph is also getting the italic style from style.css. The advantage of using an external CSS file is that it allows you to keep your CSS code separate from your HTML, making your code more organized and easier to maintain. And suppose if I want to change the styling of my headings throughout my website, it's very easy, right? The rule is defined right over here in style.css. I can come over here and change the color to pale turquoise. I save this and you can see the changes has been reflected in both of my pages. So this is the benefit of using an external style sheet. I hope the differences between the different ways by which you can define your styles is clear to you. The first way was the style attribute or inline CSS. The second way was with the help of the style tag, and the third way is by writing an external CSS file and linking it to your pages. You can help me grow by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. If you wish to receive notifications about any new content from this channel, hit the bell icon.